Kani kedai bati CTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan Rashapi daga BDW International School Shillong, day boarding and daycare. Admissions open. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Hagasngi bakari brokawai ka kenmah kerpangi kinoi kai. Ka Sarkar Meghalaya kalapun ku buram yaki khatnyungut kinoi kai janga jela. Yakni kijira khela pelong ha public school lai mkra Shillong. Hakini kesngi lai dan lang menteri ka tenat puli putih Sarkar jela ubah lakman remboy ha ka jing dan lang ki officer ka tenat kinoi kai bat kiwe habakran si kinoi kai ubah remboy upen pawe ka jing songu ya ka jing tri stom ka jongki bat shu la pendap ru da ka baong banakaliang jong Sarkar ka persangkat bala ban pej ka jing e ki ba ki kendu bat loong ru banadu ka arpoi tri unai lur kilala ban lech school kanang baki kana pule kila banwan lada ki kimi kpa kisha banwan shigi school bakin yo iji kai na kino hikai.
Today is a very important day for us, that as a human being it teaches us a beautiful lesson that no matter how much we plan, sometimes we have to live with unplanned journey. The journey this year is not planned at all. We are planned very well. We have devised our plan for the whole year, but all our plan has been disrupted. But we are learning to live. Academic year has been planned, but as our principal secretary already mentioned that we have to replan. Teachers' Day we have planned. Until yesterday, there is a confusion. But the most important thing in life is that there may be external factor which make us confused temporarily, but our desire to achieve our goal is perennial. That's why you, my dear teachers, you are chosen this profession out of love. You are chosen this profession out of willing to teach, willing to learn, willing to relearn, and willing to reteach the student years after years after years. I congratulate each one of you are receiving this award today. And all over the state, even those who are not receiving the award. Babu Yuria just mentioned that you are selected. No, you deserve it. Because you are deserving, you have been here today. My dear friend, some of the awardees we have received the award today, we have seen, they have served more than 31 years of their service. They have spent educating the youth of our state in their respective schools. They are the witness of all the changes which happened during their 31 or 32 years of their career. Many times that this year, let's hope that we could conduct. And having said that, the plan of the government, that's on the 21st of September 2020, that the teachers will be allowed to go to the schools so that the student could voluntarily, if their parent allow them to go and visit the school to get some inputs from the teachers. I'm sure somehow in what way that schools will start. repeat myself, somehow, in what way, how did you do, having seen that the government of India have taken this decision. Moreover, as Principal Secretary already mentioned, that without exam, there is no degree or qualification. We have been confirmed by the Supreme Court, and we have seen that just yesterday, 4 states have filed a case in the Supreme Court for reviewing the conducting of NEET and JEE, and the Supreme Court has dismissed that case, that exam is the way forward, that schooling, in what form, how to teach, how to reach children, it is, we have to plan together.